To do my oil change, I'm going to be using Pennzoil 0W-20. If you look on the backhand side, it does meet Chrysler standards, and you're going to need the full bottle, which is 5 quarts. Next, I'm using the Mopar oil filter, then a 13mm socket and a 3/8 ratchet. That's to remove my drain plug. And for the oil filter, I'm using a 15x16 socket, or you can also use a 24mm socket with a 1/2-inch ratchet and an extension. And lastly, you need a drain pan. And now I'm using the 13mm to remove the plug. I'm gonna let the oil drain, and in the meanwhile, I'm gonna get underneath the hood so I can switch my oil filter out. The filter is located right behind the alternator where I'm pointing to, and I'm gonna be using the 15x16 socket to remove that. Now that the filter is out, just pull out the filter from the housing and it's gonna come out. And then you have to also remove the existing O-ring from the housing. The good news is that the new filter comes with an O-ring. Use the existing oil in the housing to lubricate the O-ring. And once you do that, just slide it back on into place. And then use the ratchet to tighten it back in place. And the next step is to put the drain plug back in. Alright, the last step is to open up the cap on the fill port and then use a funnel to pour the whole bottle in. I'm gonna get inside my Jeep and go to the oil setting so I can reset it. Just press and hold the OK button and it's gonna put it back at 100%. And that's it. Easy as that. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.